Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? Hope everyone is good. Myself Tulu Bhaiji. Welcome back students. Today we are going to start a new topic that is from English grammar. Topic number 20 was and where. Students, the was and where always be used in a past tense sentences. Then what is past here? Jo ho chuka. Okay, that is called past. And always just understand one thing, we use was with I, he, she, it और a singular nouns. was हम कभी यूज़ करेंगे पास्ट के लिए तो यूज़ करेंगे हम, लेकिन I, he, she, it और जो भी singular nouns है we will use was in that, and we will use where with we, you, they or plural nouns. As you have already told you, one is a singular and the one is more than one is a plural. So where we will use where? When we use we, you, they और plural nouns. Okay, where हमें कभी use करना है जब we, you, they और plural nouns आएंगे ना, तो we have to use where. So understand only one thing, was will be in a singular nouns and where we have to use in plural nouns. We use was and where to show the past. When we use the was and where, whenever it shows the past. Past means जो हो चुका, और जो अभी है तो what we'll call present, और फिर जो आगे होगा what it is called future. Okay, that we will read in details. Read these sentences. Here they have given the sentence here. So students, what is the given here? The first one is I was happy. Okay, why they have used the was here? Because the I is a singular noun. Okay, that's why they have used was. Same with this second one. It was happy. Now it is again a singular noun. That's why we have used a was here. Then again, what is the third one is here? You were happy. Now why we have used were here? Because they have given here you. As I have already told you, we, you, they or plural nouns, we will use were. Okay. The next one is he was happy. Now again he is a singular noun. That's why we use here was. Okay. The next is the dog was happy. Now dog, now again the dog is there. They have mentioned dogs. No, they have mentioned only D-O-G, dog. So dog will be a singular noun. Okay, that's why we will use here was. Okay, what is the next is? They were happy. Now they is a plural nouns. They are many. Okay, that's why they have mentioned here they. So we will use here were. She was happy. Now again she is a singular noun. So we will use here was. We were happy. Now we means plural nouns, more than one. So that's why we will be using here were. The last is children were happy. The children were happy. Okay, now children, it's more than one. They have mentioned only one children, two children. No, they have mentioned the children were happy. Okay, now children is more than one, so it will be in a plural form. So what we will write here? Were. Okay students, did you understand? अगर I, he, she, it और जो भी ऐसे singular nouns आएंगे ना, तो what will we use? We will use was. हम was यूज़ करेंगे उसके लिए. एंड वी, यू, दे और जो भी प्लूरल नाउन्स के जो भी वन से ज़्यादा अगर यूज़ होते हैं तो व्हाट वी विल कॉल, हम क्या लिखेंगे उधर? वेयर. सो मूविंग टू दी एक्सरसाइज. नाउ fill in the blanks with was or where. Now they have given you the blanks here, and according to the sentences we have to read where we have to use was and where. As I have mentioned you, singular for singular nouns we will use was, and for the plural we have to use where. So students, already the first answer is given here, but we will read in detail. The princess was very beautiful, but the frog was very ugly. Now why we have used here was? Because the princess word is in a singular noun. One princess is there and the frog. Now again they have described a frog. They have described frogs? No, they have described the frog, frog. Only one frog is there, so we are using was. The second is The grocer dash in his shop. Now, who is the grocer here? The one who sells the things. Okay, sells the dal, anything, grocery items. They are called grocer. Grocer किसे बोलते हैं हम? जो grocery items sell करते हैं, right? तो उन्हें यहाँ पर how many grocers are showing here? Only one. So what we will use here? Was. W-A-S. Was. Very good, students. Moving to the third one. My sister said that she dash ready to teach me. My sister. Now the sister is only 1 year and he is her brother. So what he is telling? My sister said that she dash ready to teach. Now what will come here? Was or where? Only one is there. Singular noun is there. So what will become here? Yes. Was. क्या आएगा इधर? Was आएगा. Okay students, क्योंकि वो एक ही सिस्टर है, सिंगुलर नाउन है. So what will be here? Was. The fourth one. We dash so unhappy that we started to cry. So as in the picture you can see. Okay. How many children are crying here? It's more than one. Okay, it's in a plural form. एक से ज़्यादा है. Okay, 3 जन है और तीनों रो रहे हैं. तो अगर एक से ज़्यादा रहे और प्लूरल फॉर्म में आया तो हम व्हाट वी विल यूज़ हियर? यस, वेर. WERE. Okay, we were so unhappy that we started to cry. What is the fifth one here? The two witches dash very rude to the people. See here, the two witches are there. They are very rude to the people. Okay, it's more than one से ज़्यादा है तो it's in a plural form. So what we will use here? Where. WERE. Where. Very good, students. So moving to the sixth one. Now answer this. Snow White dash of afraid of the drop. Okay, but they dash very kind to her. Now as you can see, we have to just read this sentence carefully. हमें अच्छे से sentence पढ़ना है. Snow White dash afraid of the drops. Now who is the drops here? This. Okay, drops है कितने हैं? 2 है, right? 1 से many है, 1 से ज़्यादा है. So it's in a plural form. Drops 2 है, but Snow White is only 1. Okay, 1 है, 1 girl है, उनका name है Snow White, right? So what we will write here, and for the one what we are using? Was. So Snow White was afraid of the drop, but they were आएगा क्यों? क्योंकि they are 2 drops. अगर 1 drop रहता तो was लिखते थे, but they are 2 drops. Okay, तो हम what we will write here? They were very kind to her. Okay students, so did you understand the concept of was and where, and with what it will use and how it will use? So understand only one thing. Okay, we use was with I, he, she, it or any singular nouns, and we use where with we, you, they or plural nouns. So students, till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.